We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive look at the Zestify Pegboard Wall Organizer, a versatile and stylish solution designed to help organize your home, office, or gaming space. This product is crafted from durable ABS HIPS material, ensuring long-lasting use while offering a sleek black finish that complements any room decor. The organizer includes 4 pegboard panels, a variety of hooks and racks, and photo clips, providing a customizable system to neatly hang and store a wide range of items from gaming controllers to kitchen utensils. Users appreciate the pegboard's modern black color, which adds a sophisticated touch to their rooms and stands out against different wall colors. The material quality is consistently noted as sturdy and durable, promising longevity and reliability in everyday use. The included hooks and accessories are versatile and easy to rearrange, allowing users to tailor the setup to their specific needs. Many have successfully used the pegboard to organize gaming peripherals like keyboards and cables, as well as office supplies and craft tools, highlighting its multifunctional design. Installation is generally straightforward, with the package containing all necessary mounting hardware and clear instructions. Most users find it easy to set up the pegboard themselves within minutes. The option to use either screws or adhesive backing provides flexibility depending on the user's preference and wall type. However, some caution that the adhesive backing may only work effectively once and can damage paint when removed, so screw mounting is recommended for a more permanent solution. The pegboard's modular design, consisting of 4 separate square panels, is praised for allowing placement in various room configurations and fitting different wall spaces. This feature makes it especially appealing for those with limited space or unique room layouts. The ability to customize the arrangement of hooks and storage racks means users can create a personalized storage solution that maximizes their space efficiently. Despite its many strengths, some users report drawbacks. The instructions, while generally clear, have been described as somewhat lacking in detail, which can make correcting installation mistakes challenging. A few reviewers also mentioned that the pegboard material feels less premium than expected, describing it as somewhat cheap. Additionally, some hooks have been reported to struggle with holding heavier items securely, leading to occasional falls. This has led some users to purchase alternative hooks for better stability. Another common concern is the adhesive backing included for mounting. While convenient, it has been known to peel paint off walls upon removal, which can be problematic for renters or those wishing to avoid wall damage. Users who rely solely on the adhesive have sometimes found the hooks and trays less secure, prompting them to switch to screws for a more reliable hold. Overall, the Zestify Pegboard Wall Organizer is highly regarded for its versatility, modern aesthetic, and ability to help users declutter and organize various spaces effectively. It is especially popular among gamers and DIY enthusiasts who value a customizable and visually appealing storage solution. The product's comprehensive accessory set allows for a wide range of uses beyond gaming, including office organization, craft storage, and kitchen utensil display. The pegboard's black polished finish and esports gaming style make it a stylish addition to any room, enhancing the ambiance while keeping essentials within easy reach. Its portability and detachable features add to its appeal, making it suitable for those who may want to rearrange or relocate their setup. In summary, the Zestify Pegboard Wall Organizer offers a practical and attractive way to maximize wall space and maintain order in busy environments. While some users have encountered minor issues with instructions, material feel, and adhesive mounting, the overall consensus is positive. It is a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve organization in a stylish and customizable way. We encourage those who own this product to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description below to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in enhancing their space with this versatile organizer.